All right, a strong northerly wind overnight last night and through the morning hours, ushering in a cold air mass across the region today. High temperatures down around 8 degrees from where we've been the last couple days. 40 degrees for us today in Flagstaff, just a few degrees below the average of 43 for this time of year. We'll take a look at it across the nation. Here we are in the southwest, and we had basically a storm system exit the Rockies, leave a big cold air mass, and that just has to drain off towards the south, towards the warmer air, and that was our northerly wind today. But notice now we're starting to move into this more westerly type flow. Moving in off the Pacific, expect a more mild air mass to move in across the region over the next couple of days out ahead of this storm system moving into California. Also quite a bit of high clouds we'll take a look at in a second. I want to point out a big storm system, and it's going to be a big deal around the East Coast over the next 36 hours or so. This is the same storm here in the Gulf Coast that went through here on Tuesday. Very weak. Now it's starting to pick up steam, pick up moisture off the Gulf of off of Mexico, and it's going to be a huge snowmaker across the mid-Atlantic. DC looking for 2+ feet of snow, and that's tomorrow night into Saturday morning. So that's going to be a big crippling storm for them. All right, let's take a look at it out to the Pacific, and there's just this pesky ridge of high pressure across the Intermountain West. And just notice this pretty strong storm system move in off the Pacific, and it just hits a wall here as it gets into the West Coast, and it just can't make its way in as this ridge of high pressure is what's called a blocking ridge. So this storm system really just going to kind of go up towards the north as it makes its way inland. This little batch of energy right here makes its way into Arizona on Saturday night into Sunday. This thing will bash away at the ridge just enough to break it down here the next couple of days, but then in a very weakened state Saturday night, the storm system moves in with just a little bit of moisture and just very light showers and really no snow accumulation, but some light showers from Flagstaff north and eastward through the day on Sunday. All right, temperature outside right now 32 degrees, partly cloudy skies overnight tonight. We'll continue with some periodic dense cirrus clouds throughout the night, and that'll help keep temperatures from really bottoming out tonight. 16 degrees in Flagstaff. If there was no clouds, we'd be definitely down in the single digits with this dry air mass in place. 50 degrees tomorrow, and periodic dense high clouds. I think it's going to be tough to see that morning planetary alignment out there with these clouds streaming in, but we might catch a break and be able to see it out there one of these mornings, but definitely the next couple going to be tough. All right, here's a look at the overnight tonight and tomorrow. Only 59 in Sedona, 60 in Prescott, but we're warming up for some locations, and we'll continue to see particularly the Little Colorado River Valley and stuff warm up on Saturday under a breezy day. We're right around 50 here the next couple days in Flagstaff, and then there's that weak storm system goes through somewhere in here Saturday night through Sunday, cools things off late in the weekend. Stick around, more on Easy Today coming up.